Have you ever thought about ChatGPT replacing us soon? Well, I mean, at least my job in trading, that's for sure. Today I found an AI, similar to ChatGPT, that gives a hint on where the chart will go, up or down. So right now I'm going to try to take a signal and see how many winning trades I can close and how many losing ones. We'll find out the specific stats and see if it's worth using or not. Let's click Get Signal OTC. We're offered a lot of pairs. Take a look at this. Well, let's start with the very first one. We have AUD CAD OTC. Now we need to choose the time for which we're going to open. And in this case, I'm taking M1, which means for 1 minute. Alright, confirming AUD CAD OTC, 1 minute get signal. And while we wait for our signal, I'll remind you that I've already found this pair, AUD CAD OTC. And let's see what kind of signal the AI gave us. And it's said to go higher. So let's open a buy position. And now we're opening. I'll be opening small amounts. Let's do $150 for 1 minute, M1, and open a buy. There, buy position opened. Let's see how this signal plays out here. This is our first position, so I hope everything works out. Three, two, one. The chart closes perfectly in profit. We get $288, and meanwhile our AI sends a post saying it also closed in profit. The first signal went great, so that's awesome. Moving on, click new signal, get the next signal, and let's see. By the way, I'll show the AI's name after one more successful trade. It'll be like a bit of motivation. So let's go OTC. The next pair is AUD CHF OTC. Opening M1, and let's open this position on our broker for now. Looking for it, AUD CHF OTC. And there it is, the position. Basically, the chart looks clear enough, a downtrend. But here we have some messing around. Up, down, up, down. Let's see what the AI says about this. Select confirm and look at the specific signal. And our signal is for a buy. Well, let's open a buy position. $150 again. Well, let's go, maybe a bit more though. Let's do $300 buy. Basically, the capital allows it, so we're doing it boldly. $300 buy. Well, the trade closed in profit. We got $576 from this trade. That's quite pleasant. And that's the second win the AI has given. Capital is at $49,200 and we're almost approaching $50,000. That's very cool. By the way, while I was talking to you, the AI sent me a message saying it's a win again. Look how cool that is. And as I promised, the AI's name is on the screen. There it is, you can take a picture of it. Meanwhile, I'm already starting the next trade, AUDNZ DOTC, also for 1 minute, and I'm getting the signal now. Let's find the chart on our exchange, AUDNZ DOTC. Basically, the chart is also in a downtrend, it's going down. And let's see what the neural network says about this movement now. Get the signal and let's look at this decision. Well, the neural network says down. Basically, it's clear, on a decrease. Let's open on a decrease. Also, let's open $300 down on a decrease. Alright, let's wait for our decision, friends. It's very interesting whether it'll work out here or not, because the chart is really volatile and it might not work, but we'll see. We have 5 seconds left, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the trade is in the plus again. And that's the third plus out of 3. Friends, well, I think that's wonderful. Look at the capital, 49,490. We've almost reached 50,000, and I got another signal from the neural network that it's a plus again. Guys, well, I think you objectively have to give this a like, because I haven't seen trading like this in a long time. Here, artificial intelligence really added to my capital. Huge respect for that. All 3 trades were in the plus, as you can see, just great. There. So write in the comments what you think about this. Will you use a similar trading method? And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. New videos very often. Bye bye.